2016 Lincoln MKT. The Lincoln MKT is engineered for extraordinary moments. The MKT offers best-in-class horsepower and V8 power with V6 fuel economy. Pair that with MKT's standard 6 airbags and advanced track with class-exclusive roll stability control, and you've got the total package. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.